Hey guys! Welcome to the next episode of Home is Where the Wind Blows. We are changing our water pump today. We had a little bit of a leak. Now I'm almost shoulder deep in the bottom of the boat trying to change out these C-clamps that are all rusted. But we also have a new water pump on the table right there. So join me today, see how this goes. Kolby's out working, so he has left me the project to handle all on my own, electrical and all. Hi, we're Kolby and Liz, and this is our home, Quicksilver. She's a Catalina 30, currently birthed in Ventura, California. It was our dream to live on a sailboat together, and we've been learning that home can look like a lot of different things, including having the whole ocean as your backyard. Like and subscribe to follow along to see where the wind will blow us next. We had a leak last week. We only realized it because our water pump was turning on when we weren't running water. It was trying to regain the pressure. Took the old water pump out right here. Kolby did some sealing job trying to salvage it before buying a new one, but we ended up putting it back in and it still was leaking. The C-clamps are pretty old here, so I'm also redoing these. If it sounds like I know what I'm doing, I don't. I'm just nervous, like when I pull this off, all the water is just gonna start flowing out. I've got 2 of the C-clamps replaced and they're looking all nice and shiny, not any rusty anymore. Here they are. Hoping that they are tight enough. Got one more to do. This piece, and it's going on that 3rd piece. This is going to be the one that connects to the pump. There she are. All 3, brand new, shiny. Now let's get that pump installed. So this is the new water pump that we got. Sea-Flow. Our old one was a Sure-Flow. A lot of people told us these are a lot less expensive, and that obviously means it might not work as well or for as long, but they tend to break and crack all the time anyways, so you might as well get a cheaper one and replace it twice instead of paying twice as much. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. That's what our thinking was. She's in, and I think she looks pretty good in there. Wires are just temporarily connected with little tape, little electrical tape, and now we have a leak with this C-clamp. So I'm going to try to fix that, and then we will see how it goes. So I'm going to turn on that pressure water switch, see if any leaks are happening. Now we got to turn the sink on. Here we go. I'm kind of nervous. Wow, so quiet. Oh my gosh. I'm kind of proud of myself. Great work, Liz. Now I am going to connect the wires a little bit more permanently with these stop down butt connectors. And I learned how to do this last week from one of our boat neighbors, Michael. Big shout out to you if you ever watch this video. Thank you for teaching me how to do this so I can do it right. Do it by myself now. And I'm gonna start connecting these wires. So I can't help but be a little proud of myself. Did the whole water pump, C-clamp change, wiring, cleaning up all the mess from the old leak, all by myself with help from Michael and phone calls from Kolby. But now we can happily turn on our water and not have any leaks down there. And someone gave us the really good idea of just holding on to our old pump. This is our old pump. It just has a small, like you can barely see it, crack in the hardware here. So we are going to keep it in one of our storage compartments just in case this pump were to break when we're on a trip and water's flowing everywhere and we just need something, even if it leaks a little bit, to replace it with. So that will be going into our compartments here behind the cushions, saving it for a rainy day. If you liked this video and you want to see more from Home is Where the Wind Blows and what adventures we are up to next, please like and subscribe, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.